Hey, it's Robin with Trust Roofing. We're over here on a tear-off we're doing. I wanted to show you the catch-all system and how we use that on tear-offs, roof removals on these shingle jobs to go ahead and prevent debris from affecting your landscaping. So here it is over here. It's super simple. This design is super simple. So all it is these poles get stretched up to the eave of the roof, right like that with those telescoping poles, that netting. That netting comes down and then it comes on top of another piece of netting or a tarp. So all that happens is that way when they're doing the roof and all these granules, loose nails, etc., it protects the facade of the home and protects the landscaping, so everything just about gets on these tarps. That way at the end of the job, all the guys gotta do is take these, roll them up, and throw them right into the dumpster. When you just use a tarp up to the side of the house, a lot of stuff accumulates underneath. It'll hit the windows of the home as it falls off. It's not as easy to protect like AC units or electrical, boxes, things like that. And then my favorite thing is we put our logo right there, and then you have people driving by, they know who's doing the job, they know that we value professionalism, they know that this is a Trust Roofing install. So that's my favorite part. We got a roll-off dumpster we're using today. We got their drying all staged and ready to go. We got their cement, their nails. We bring that in every morning. And then the shingles are coming here a little later today. So they're rocking and rolling. Okay, so we got all the shingles down to the felt. So the next thing these guys are doing is they're getting every single nail up. Once they get all those nails up, and they're gonna roll that felt up into little balls to minimize debris. They're gonna throw that in. He's using a ripper, that kind of tear-off shovel right there, and he's just going crazy with the hammer, Justin is. So they're getting this done. They're making quick work of this thing. I like your guys' style.